If you want to completely uninstall AnyDesk from Windows 11 and also remove the leftover files that can stay behind, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can remove AnyDesk safely and cleanly from your PC. This is helpful whether you no longer use the app, want to free up space, or simply want to make sure every trace is gone. If this guide helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Let's get started. First, click the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel when it appears in the results. Once Control Panel is open, look for the option called Uninstall a Program. This will take you to the list of installed applications on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. Click on AnyDesk to highlight it, then choose Uninstall at the top of the list. Windows may ask for confirmation, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. Wait for the uninstaller to finish, and once it's complete, the main application should be removed from your system. But we're not done yet, because some leftover folders can still remain on your computer after uninstalling. These folders may contain configuration files, logs, or cache data from AnyDesk. To remove those, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %APPDATA and press Enter. This will open the roaming folder. Here, look for a folder named AnyDesk. If you find it, delete it. Next, press Windows key and R again to open Run one more time. This time, type %PROGRAMDATA, and press Enter. In that folder, look for another AnyDesk folder and delete that as well. Removing both of these folders helps make sure AnyDesk is fully uninstalled from your Windows 11 computer. If you don't see the folders, that's okay too. It just means they may already be gone or were never created. And that's it. You've now uninstalled AnyDesk and cleaned up the remaining files from your system. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips, and I'll see you in the next one.